Instructions to use Microsoft Teams for online classes. Step 1. Download the Microsoft Teams app to use Microsoft Teams on your mobile device. First, download the app. For Android devices, open the Google Play Store. Search for Microsoft Teams. Tap on the Install button. For Apple devices, iPhone, iPad, open the App Store. Search for Microsoft Teams. Tap on the Get Install button. Once the installation is completed, open the Microsoft Teams app. Step 2. Sign into your school account. Once the installation is completed, open the Microsoft Teams app. Tap on the Get Started button. If your school account is already listed, tap on it and enter your password. If your account is not listed, tap on Create or use another account. Allow all permissions if any pop-up appears. Enter the email ID provided by the school. Enter your password. Tap on Sign In. Click on Next. Then Next again. Tap on Got it if prompted. Again, allow all permissions if any pop-up appears. You are now successfully logged into the Microsoft Teams app for online classes. Step 3. Join your online class. Tap on the Teams option at the bottom of the app. Here, you will see your class and division channel. Tap on your class channel. Select the Online Class option. You will see the class details such as date, time, teacher information, other class details. Tap on the Join button to enter the online class. Allow microphone and camera permissions. You have now successfully joined your online class. Step 4. View upcoming online classes. You can also check your upcoming online classes from the Calendar option in Microsoft Teams. Tap on the Calendar option. Here you can see upcoming online classes, schedule timings, meeting dates, class notifications. You may also receive online class notifications in your school Outlook email inbox.